SSH into your server. Get Java installed. I have openjdk 11. Make sure you have Git. If you don't, then install it. Make a directory called BuildTools. Make sure you have something like wget or curl. Then go to this link and download the file. This link will be in the description. We have to make a git configuration change before we can actually run this jar file. Now we can run our Java jar file. This will create a SPIGOT server for the latest update. I'm going to rename this to an easier name. Create a plain text file and name it autostart. We need to add the bash shebang. And then the command we actually want to run. Save and quit out. Now we have to give autostart execute permissions. Now run the autostart file. We're going to need to agree to the eula, so open up eula.txt. And change false to true. Run the autostart again. Now our server is running. To find our public IP of our server, we can use this curl command. Give this IP to your friends, and they should be able to connect to your server. Because we don't have a GUI, we're going to have to physically download the jar file and put it in the plugins folder. The way we do that is first going to the SPIGOT resources website and looking at the plugin you want, hitting download now, save it to wherever on your local machine. Go to your server and install an app called Woof. This app will let us upload files. To run the Woof server, we just run this command. Go to this IP, and then upload the file that we downloaded. There's no progress, but it will say Woof upload complete when it's done uploading. Go back to your server. We can see that we have a skyblock.jar. At this point, you're probably going to need to stop your server and then restart it again to actually get all the stuff working. If you want to download multiple plugins at the same time, download them all on your computer, put them in a zip file or something, and then transfer that zip file over to your server. To unzip a file, all you need to do is get the unzip command. To actually use the unzip command, we can use one of these options. We're probably going to be using this one. So all you would do is unzip filename.zip. That would extract all of the contents of the zip file into your current directory.